Welcome to CryptoDex World. Get ready for the LV era.
Two titans on the chain. The legendary journey of L and Venture. In the ancient times, before the Ethereum world had evolved, blockchains floated like islands in the dark void. There were no rulers on the chain then. Wealth was firmly controlled by whales and speculators, while ordinary retail investors were like ruthless duckweed, manipulated and drifting with the tide. However, deep within the mysterious Genesis code, two unique, one-of-a-kind codes L and V quietly awakened. They were not of flesh and blood, yet they carried the purity.
All right, that brings us to LNV. Welcome to CryptoDex World. I'm super excited for the LV era, but what is it? Well, we're going to find out, but before we do, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, due diligence, and don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. All right, so this is decentralized value. As we saw, the world was in peril and chaos, but now LV has arrived. Now, DeFi, you know it. You watch this channel, you know all about DeFi. Is one of the most transformative applications on blockchain technology, but the current market has a lot of problems. It has rat barn control. Tokens are reserved by projects, and they have black boxes, a short lifespan. If you've been in crypto, you've seen that. It goes up, it's going to be the biggest thing that's gone. And then weak value support. So, against the backdrop of economic uncertainty, that's where the LV era jumps in for decentralized value growth. Now, how does the economic model work? This is deployed on the Binance public chain, so BSC. So if you're familiar with that, that is the network, and it integrates privacy protection. So it makes you safe, it gives you model innovation. We can see the token breakdown here with the total amount and fixed release, the LP pot, interactive, and the awards. So it's designed to ensure long-term stability. That's the biggest thing for the ecosystem. And as we can see here, it is broken up to do exactly that. Now, how do you participate? Where do you come in? Well, this era is not just about LV, it's about you. Users can jump in through, you can jump in junior, you can register as a junior right here. You can also build relationships to let other people know, and even compete to do different pledges and stuff like that. And based on that, they will give these specific rewards. Now, nothing is guaranteed, so always do your own research. But we have participation methods, so if you want to trade, jump in and learn the ways of the LV, you can. You can also do marketing as well. You get a team benefit and you get promotional incentives, and we can see the different grades here, plus the team performance in addition to that. Now, the methods have different ways that you can participate. You have the tax policy to promote development, sustainable growth with the profit rate here, and the distribution for no dividends, 18% of market rewards, and this aims to build a positive circular economy, allowing participants to share dividends. Also, in order to ensure stable operations, LV is formulated their clear redemption rules for pledge orders. So users need to pledge income right here, so we can see the information, and also they have the different mechanisms where it's truly decentralized. You have the best technology, you have closed loop, and you have steady earnings. That's what it's all about. Taking all of the efficiencies and deficiencies in DeFi and making it happen with the LV era. And here we can also see the Skynet project. So LV is doing quite well. That you got good code on it, looking to be pretty promising. So I am pretty excited for the LV era. I hope you are too. That is it in a nutshell. So let me know what you think down below. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and catch you in the next one.